Well, in your industry experience, Robert, would you be able to touch upon an example, like a case study or something like a story that people would want to hear and learn from?
Yeah, one of them that I like just because it's pretty simple is McDonald's. McDonald's made a fully automated restaurant here in my home state of Texas in the United States. And they created a McDonald's that was fully automated. And this is a fairly extreme example now, but a push to show this is what we're going towards is that we can take jobs that are relatively undesirable. As somebody who has worked at a fast food restaurant before, it's nice to be able to automate that and not come home smelling like grease every day. We also have plenty of doctors working with AI technologies in research hospitals, working with AI to give them recommendations as they're performing surgery to say, hey, we actually should cauterize that before we have a hemorrhage or other medical concerns. I am not a doctor, so but the AI does. It knows what to do. It's learned from the past, and so we see this in even the Harvard Business Review wrote an article about how AI is helping sales teams and marketing teams be more efficient and make sure that we can get better customer satisfaction than if we were just going with our gut or just simple notes.
Amazing. I think the McDonald's example was quite relatable. Moving forward, I'm sure a lot of viewers would be interested to know real world applications and the success stories from you. Well, if you could slightly elaborate more on some more real world examples where AI and robotics have successfully transformed IT strategies.
Absolutely. So when we're looking at development, when we have technologies like Copilot for GitHub, where we're able to work with our own repositories and be able to work with our own code and have Copilot help us use our own code to generate new code, we have a lot of the guesswork taken out. Instead of trying to remember where you put a piece of code that helps reach out to a certain API call that you're looking for, or if you're looking for ways to create a function that already exists, instead of searching through your repositories, we can use technologies like Copilot for GitHub in order to expedite developers' roles. And we see this happening in major companies across the globe.
Well, I think going forward, why don't we talk about the future of AI and robotics and IT? Looking to the future, where do you see AI and robotics heading in the IT landscape?
So in the IT landscape, I see that robotics is going to play a greater role because of its precision, marketing, or excuse me, marrying that with AI, we're going to be able to have smarter robotics that are able to do more complex tasks that could be considered dangerous, especially working with things like surgeries, working with things like underwater welding, where there's lots of dangers. We don't have to put humans in danger. We can do it more automatically. And so the future of AI, I think, is going to not necessarily get rid of jobs, but it will definitely transform the job field where surgeons now work with robotics, that we're going to have marketing and sales members work with AI tools to find the best possible way to serve customers. And at the end of the day, that's what we're looking for. We want to make customer experience better. We want to have our resources run as efficiently as possible. Nobody wants their power lines down for hours during a storm. Nobody wants to run out of water. Nobody wants to have these major catastrophes that we see, like earthquakes and hurricanes, disrupt life. With AI and robotics, we are able to cut those times potentially in half or more as we improve these technologies.
That's amazing. I think it's a great piece of information. Thank you, Robert, for sharing your insights.